It's really hard to come up with a channel trailer. I mean, I have like 2 minutes to convince you to come to my channel and subscribe and be my friend. I can't even text my friends back within a decent time frame. This is stressful. I mean, I have a cute toddler and coffee and more coffee, and oh, my sisters and my brother are pretty funny, but summing up my channel, that's hard. I guess I can say my name is Katie. I'm 24 years old. I have a toddler and I'm a nursing student. My boyfriend and I have been together for forever and we're working on building our life together. I also do DIY, skin and hair videos and like morning routines and stuff. My life is definitely not perfect, but I like to share it with my YouTube family anyway. So if you're into that, then you should definitely subscribe to my channel and be my friend. So glad that's over.